Alright travellers, so today I want to do just a really quick unboxing and video on this here, which is a brand new product from Zendure, and this is the Super Mini, which is very similar to this Super Mini here, which I previously reviewed, but the key difference is that this one has a lightning adapter built into it. So let me just go ahead and show you some of the differences here and why you might find this useful. So let's take a look inside. So just quickly taking a look at the packet here. They tell you what is inside the box. They give you a few details about the product. They mention this is the new and improved 20-watt version. And the cool thing is it's got a little door built in. So you pop the door open and it actually shows you the color and what you're going to be getting. So taking a look here, one of the most obvious differences you'll see is that this is in a rather nice green color. They have both a USB output on the top, but the key difference is that down here, this one has a standard USB out and this one has a lightning, and that's the input. So this is able to be charged with a lightning cord. Let me just take that off. So this is quite a nice green. It's kind of like a vintage green. It's much nicer than I thought it would be. Yeah, kind of retro, kind of vintage. So it's definitely not a bad color. And if you do like green, then you will definitely like this product. Now it feels about the same. They both appear to be metal, especially this one, but they are both actually plastic. This one's a little bit more of a matte finish, whereas the silver is a bit more of a shiny finish. I should also mention that on the box here, they do mention that it is a 20-watt USB-C input and output, whereas the old one you can see here was an 18-watt max output. And so that means that the new one is actually slightly faster for charging up, and the amount of power that it puts out would charge your iPhone at the fast charging rate. So let's quickly take a look in the box here. So what you get is a USB-C to C cable, and you get some cool little stickers here. So let me show you what I would typically carry when I'm traveling or when I go out. I usually carry a little kit like this, and it includes a power bank, a nice compact one, and this charging cable. I also carry a mask because of the current situation. I also do carry this Zendure international travel adapter, so that I can charge no matter which country I'm in, and it also has several outputs, including a USB-C and a 65-watt power out. I also carry this cable here, which is a standard USB on one end, and then on this end, you can adapt a micro USB to a USB-C and then a lightning. The benefit of having this is that as an iPhone user, you won't have to carry something that has a USB-C output. To charge the original one, you would have to plug a USB-C in the top to get power into it to charge up the bank. With this one, you can now plug a Apple Lightning cable directly here, like so, and then you can charge up this power bank with the same cable that you use to charge your iPhone. And then when you want to get the power out, you can use a USB-C. So most Apple products these days come with a Lightning to USB-C cable, and then the adapter they give you is a USB-C out adapter. So if you have bought an iPhone recently, then this power bank you'll be able to use with your standard Apple cable that they give you in the box. Of course, if you do prefer to use a standard USB output, then the original model you can plug in like so, and then you can charge as normal. Of course, this has a little light on the top here. You can press that and see how many levels of charge you have. This is 3, so it's about 75% full. So that's it, just a really quick look at this new adapter from Zendure. Again, like I said, if you have the original Apple cable, you will find this to be a very useful piece of kit, and it is very lightweight and very compact. It can fit in your pocket. It's very slim, and it's something that I always carry around with me, no matter where I go. So go ahead and check out the new Zendure Supermini Lightning power adapter version.